Hello and welcome to my Boeing 747 vlog. In this vlog I'll be walking around and inside of the Boeing 747-100. A lot of airlines like KLM, Qantas, SAS, Air Canada, Iberia, United, Pan Am and a lot of other airlines ordered this plane. This is the Boeing 747-121. The 747 prototype. First flight in 1969. Here are some engines of the plane. This is a part of the Boeing 747 Classic series, I'm pretty sure. You can see the slight line here where it was made so that the nose can open up for cargo. If you want to read these, just pause the video. Here are some test stuff used on the Boeing 747-121. It still smells like a plane. See, it's just wires, cables, more test stuff, and some chairs. The Boeing 747-121 prototype model was originally used as a stratotanker and aerial refueling. After it was tested. Still see the carpet here. And here you can see how much space there is on top of the main cabin. These look familiar. These were also used on the Boeing 747 200, 300 and 400. On the Boeing 747, there would be 4 main flap systems. There would be all on, there would be 2 on each side. Here, the flaps, the main flaps would be here. This is one big flap, and then some rudder system, another flap, and some rudder system there, with no winglets since this is a 747 Classic. There are some spoilers, and the slats would fold out from underneath the wing. This is what I was just talking about. It's called a leading edge flap or slat. This has the 747-100 livery that is very similar to the Boeing 737-100 livery. These are the countries that fly 747s. This is the APU fault tester model 3144. If you want to have a depth-in video, watch Swiss 001's video and maybe even come here for yourself. It's a little bit broken. No roof, no nothing. Stay tuned for the 787 vlog soon. This video is about this Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Since they're still in production, this is just going to be a quick video about the 787. Yeah, this is very straightforward. Everyone knows everything about this 787. This, the dimmable windows, everything's straightforward. These, the pattern there, the overhead storage. Yeah, everyone knows this bit here. It's the cockpit. I've been in one. It's quite nice. Comfortable pilots. That's what it looks like when you're flying, but slightly different in each airline. Very similar, and everything's very straightforward, dimmable windows. There's some flaps that rudder and spoilers and slats there. They have the serrated engine fans. 787 is very straightforward. If you don't know much about it, just can read it, pause it like out where you want to look at it. Very straightforward. Very, very straightforward.
Oh, yes. Okay.
That's it for the video. Bye.